So in your question, the problem said to find 77% of 10. Instead of trying to remember P and B and all of that stuff, I really like percent over 100 equals part over whole. This really helps you when you get to those application problems, or percent over 100 equals is over of. So that's for this one. The second one is more for a more simple problem where you have those is and of words in there. So again, I wouldn't try to remember A over B, that kind of thing. Use one of these other part over whole or is over of. So then you would say, we know the percent, right? We have 77%, so that has to be in your percent piece. So 77 over 100 equals, we do not know the is, but we know our of or our whole. And then you can cross multiply and solve. So 100x equals 770, and x equals 7.7.